Just a bit of a summer update. There you go. So here we are in the Wicking Beds. These got planted a few weeks ago, and they're finally getting full sun during the day. They're starting to look quite healthy. And this garden bed's finally getting sun as well, so it's taking off all sorts of stuff. I'm not even going to list it. Been putting some additional dichondra down here, which is the puppy's snooze pit in the daytime. And over here, lots of basils, lots of stuff. Peas aren't sort of summer plants, so they haven't lasted very well. Onion grass has gone to seed, so we'll hopefully get some more filling out there. This is all coming on pretty well as well. Some tomatoes coming through. You can see the sun's very much overhead now, so we're getting the full north overhead sun. And this bed here as well, the mulch has done really well. Potatoes have come out. It's either arrowroot, cardamom or ginger or tarragon. One of the three root veggies. Lemonade's happy. Jasmine made it across that far. We had a heap of fruit off the mulberry in spring. Looks like we're getting some more. A few little spots up here. And the lime again has settled in nicely. These ground covers just need a little bit of water, lots of mint and stuff to keep the ants down. The fig here, starting to get some figs on it. And I don't know what we're going to see anything on the peanut tree. That's reaching for the sky, and our passion fruit's starting to really fill out overhead there. And the olive has really shot back as well. Starting to see on the bottle brush, that's starting to come back in again, which it's sort of missed this summer, but it's definitely coming back, and it's saved it through the winter winds. Needing a bit of water around here. Thai lime down here is looking really good. What else? We did have something in the back there. I think we moved it to a fruit tree. But no, look, it's standing back here. The arch there is starting to get the growth coming across. Self-seeded, probably a pumpkin. Starting to climb on that as well. And yeah, holding itself together really well. And these are Wicking Beds around the side. These ones are now in full sun. So we've got some tomatoes, some lovely zucchinis growing up, some beans. Going strong. And Lilly Pillies coming back in. They were coppiced about a year ago now, so you can see they come up pretty quick. And then we've got our Thai basil and the grape over the top. Just starting to really form a screen over that. Yeah. Looking good. Sun is now on the south side Wicking Beds. These are still going good. The pillies have grown in over the top. And the grape's doing well too. Starting to make its way all over. That one almost looks like one of those reapers or something.
It's a castor.
Well, that might be why then. So we've got some pomegranates starting to come on, happy places, swinging around to the left. Peach tree, coming good. This is all coming in, nice, growing well. And Some apples on the apple tree. Got some lots of figs. Check out the figs, man. Lots of figs. Guava down the bottom. It's not doing much at the minute, but there was. Oh yeah. Probably do it a little bit more water and they'll fill out. Got plums. Stacks of plums on the plum tree. They're actually looking like they'll fatten up quite nicely this year. Lots in through here and over there and over there. Yeah, that's looking really healthy. What else have we got? Yeah, mashies up in the mashie. Oh, tree tomato. Looks like we're getting some buds forming. These little ornamental pomegranates. I don't think we'll actually get any fruit on those. The gardens are filling out nicely. Lots of mulch this year, helping a lot. Column peach. Can't see any fruit right there at the minute. Other side. Oh, chic. Look at that little baby. Huge. Alright, that's the first fruit of that one. Bay tree's saying, yep, keep going. Coming along. Lots of shade. From the Lilly Pillies, from the morning sun to the house. Screening on the neighbours, that's going really well. Lots of guavas coming in here. And yeah, lots of other stuff. So nice.